How does neuronal migration shape the developing fetal brain? Have you ever wondered how the brain of a tiny fetus develops into the complex organ that controls everything we do? One key process in this amazing journey is called neuronal migration. This process is essential for shaping the developing fetal brain and ensuring it functions properly later in life. Neuronal migration starts early, around 3 to 4 weeks after conception. During this time, neurons are generated in a part of the neural tube called the ventricular zone. After they are born, these neurons must travel to their designated locations in the brain. This journey is crucial for establishing the brain's structure and function. As neurons migrate, they move from their birthplace near the inner surface of the neural tube to the outer layers of the brain. This movement is guided by various mechanisms. One important factor is radial glial fibers, which act like scaffolding, helping neurons reach their final destinations. Neurons extend their leading edge to sense their environment, while the rest of the cell follows in a coordinated movement called nucleokinesis. This process relies on structures like microtubules and actin filaments, which help drive the movement. The organization of neurons into distinct layers is vital for brain function. For example, the cerebral cortex has 6 layers, and each layer has specific roles. This layering allows neurons to form connections with other neurons and brain regions. Early arriving neurons, known as subplate neurons, play a key role in guiding incoming fibers from the thalamus and cortex. This guidance is essential for creating functional neural networks. However, if neuronal migration goes awry, it can lead to structural brain abnormalities. Conditions like lissencephaly, where the brain appears smooth, and heterotopia, where neurons are misplaced, can occur. These abnormalities may be linked to developmental delays, intellectual disabilities, and epilepsy. Thus, proper neuronal migration is vital for healthy fetal brain development. Understanding this process also highlights how prenatal factors can impact brain development. Genetic mutations, environmental influences, and maternal health can all affect how neurons migrate. This knowledge is important for early diagnosis and intervention strategies for children with neurodevelopmental disorders. In essence, neuronal migration is a fundamental process that organizes neurons in the brain during fetal development. It ensures that neurons reach the right place at the right time, forming the networks necessary for cognitive, sensory, and motor functions throughout infancy and early childhood.